Is the Mail app missing or disappeared from your iPhone? This can happen due to accidental deletion, restrictions, or an iOS glitch. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you restore it and get back to managing your emails. So let's get started. Solution 1. Search for Mail app. Swipe down from the center of your home screen to open Spotlight Search. Type Mail in the search bar. If the app appears it hasn't been deleted, drag it back to your home screen. If you can't find it here, then open Setting, scroll down, tap General, scroll down, tap iPhone Storage, scroll down, tap Hidden App. Try to unhide the apps from here. Solution 2. Reinstall the app. Open the App Store, tap the Search tab at the bottom, type Mail in the search bar. If you've accidentally deleted the app, the Mail app should show with a cloud icon. Tap the iCloud icon to reinstall it. Check Restrictions. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Screen Time, tap Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure Content and Privacy Restrictions is turned off, or if it's on, tap Allowed Apps and ensure Mail is toggled on. Solution 3. Reset home screen layout. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Reset. Tap Reset home screen layout. This will reset your icons to their default positions, which should bring back the Mail app to the home screen if it was misplaced. By following these solutions, you should be able to restore the missing or disappeared Mail app on your iPhone. If you're still having trouble, feel free to ask for more help.